So my name's Jess Siggins. My background is I work as a project manager in a local council, my local council in Southend, and I've always had a real passion for voices and characters. So I've always been interested in doing voice work, and I've always sort of been preoccupied with other things, and maybe a little doubtful of myself, to be honest. But through sort of my friends and other people encouraging me, I felt it's something I definitely should explore. And through, and that's why I came along, really, just to find out a bit more about the industry and how I could become a voiceover or a voice artist. So what did I think of the 4-hour workshop? I thought it was really good. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was very informative. I learned a bit about the industry and a lot about techniques and exercises, and there was a lot of opportunity for me to practice and get feedback on that as well, which I really liked. So I feel like I've already sort of developed from it. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. I think for me, the part that I found most useful about the workshop was the practicing of scripts, especially hearing other people practice and get direction, and then having to do it myself. It was a challenge, but I really enjoyed it. I think it's a really good start, and I think if you're passionate about voices, or even if you're just interested, or you've heard that you might be a good voice actor, that you should definitely give it a go, because it tells you some very honest facts about the industry, and it gives you a good idea that they don't dance around the issue. They tell you this works and this doesn't, and I feel like it's already started to guide me towards how I would start a career in voice acting.